In over 10 years, the University of Nebraska schooling system has been using eBruno platform as the essential portal for all student needs. But as for last spring, they started transitioning to the new MavLink. This fall marked the end of eBruno and the new beginning of MavLinks. We walk around campus to get response from students on how they feel about the new system.
This system has its advantages, but if in general, like, you know, if you compare and contrast both of them, the older system was a bit more straightforward than this. And this one's a bit more complex. I mean, there's an actual tutorial about the system. Why they did this was to integrate all the different aspects of everything that you need to do as a student here into one central portal, but in doing so, they kind of made it more confusing. It looks more like a banking, you know, like a credit card banking system than an actual student thing. I mean, it's very, very confusing. Places you could go to and do stuff. I mean, eBruno was very, very straightforward and linear.
It offers a lot more options. I could say it could probably use a little bit more work as far as it's kind of buggy still, it seems, but I definitely like it. Everything's more contained, it seems. It's a lot easier to get from place to place than it was in eBruno.
Pretty easy to use. It's pretty much straightforward. Everything I need is like right there. It does what it needs to do. It's pretty good. There's always room for improvements.
Whether we like it or not, MavLinks is here to stay. With UNO News, I'm Femi Banwo.